po, Lola.
Kaawaan ka ng Diyos, Apo. Bless you, my child.
Thank you, Grandma.
You too, my dears.
We love you, Grandma. Love you.
Naway pagpalain ka ng may kapal.
Salamat, Lola.
Thank you for this food, for our family, and for this time together.
Amen.
Salamat sa masarap na pagkain.
Wow, ang dami. Salamat po.
Kumain na tayo?
Tara, kain tayo. O sige, kain na tayo.
Wow, ang dami pagkain. Yay.
Eat well, my friends.
Masarap.
Bless this meal and our time together. Steady lang po, kuya. Salamat, iho. Mabait ka. Wala po yun. Halos na tayo. Ma'am, hold on to me. Let's cross.
Thank you, son. The rain is so heavy.
We're almost there. Here, let me help you up. Thank you so much. Careful now, it's slippery.
The rain stopped. The sun feels so nice. Yeah, and this umbrella is perfect for us.
Okay, everyone, line up. I have food for all of you. You're welcome. Enjoy.
Ensuring safety.
Yes, perfectly. Every lesson builds our future.